Let us learn trip to my grandparents' village. It is summer vacation has started for Santosh. His parents are going to ceremony their parents' village. Santosh is excited.
He records an audio diary on his mother phone. He records all his feeling. During the visit later, he writes down in his diary what he had recorded. Let's read his diary to know his experience during this visit.
10th April, I am very eager to visit my grandparents' village. I will meet my grandparents and cousins. I have packed my clothes back for playing video games. We will be traveling in a bus. I am so excited.
11th April, today we are traveling. Though it is summer, the weather is pleasant in the morning.
There are numerous yellow flowers on both sides of the road. There is greenery all around. There are many white plants in the lush green valley hills.
The sky